Believe it or not, this one niche on Etsy actually outperforms sales in January instead of December. And I actually know this because one of my multiple six-figure a year businesses on Etsy is in this exact category. January alone of this year, we did over $12,000 profit, not just revenue, profit. This screenshot is showing our profit in our automated profit tracking tool called ProfitTree. This tool is actually showing me my profit after all of my product costs, my selling fees, my ad costs, everything. So this is a real value of what we did in 1 month. So what exactly is this niche? This niche is the home decor niche, right? New year, new home. We see a spike during the holidays, but specifically in January when people are wanting to redo their home. And I'm going to show you some top products that you can sell with Printify in this video that are in the home decor space. I specifically chose these products because you can do a mix of home, but also B2B business, right? Same thing, same idea with businesses. As businesses go into the new year, whether they have an office space or storefront, whatever it is, there is a revamp normally happening from year to year. And that revamp usually starts in the beginning of the year. So these are some top high price, high average order value, high margin products that you can sell in the home decor space, and you can fulfill it with Printify. So that means that you don't actually have to touch the product. Every single time you get an order, you just make the personalization request, and then Printify is going to go ahead and fulfill that product for you. So here are some of the top products that you can sell in 2026. The first product that we're going to look at here is metal art signs, or metal wall signs, okay? This is something that you can find directly on printify.com, and you can essentially use their print services to send it to your customer. So I really like this product because, again, it's high demand in January. It's also lower competition. And look at the margins on this. Standard print on demand, low ticket products make you about 10% on maybe $20 or $30 sales. This is $170 and performing well, has a bestseller badge, and this is 16 by 20 metal print. So this exact metal print or metal wall art is right here on Printify. And with Printify Premium for that same 16 by 20 vertical, it's only $21.70. And I actually purchased this one, and so I have a video here that I'm showing you now that I actually purchased one of these for one of my friends just to see the quality of it, and the quality came out absolutely amazing. The picture I used, as you can see, isn't even that great. The picture was a little bit pixely, but they made it look really, really defined and amazing quality. So let's come back into here. You can see that with Printify Premium, this is only $21.70, and I spent about $19 on shipping. And the one that you just saw in that video was a 16 by 20. So if this 16 by 20 is selling for $171, if we use our ProfitTree calculator here, our pricing calculator, if we did it for the same sale price and we gave them free shipping, so $0 for shipping, and the cost of goods we said was $22, but then our shipping cost, say, was $18, we would be making $0 on every single sale. We're making $100, over $100 per unit after Etsy selling fees and everything else. So this is an insane product opportunity. You can see that they're doing an estimated of about $3,000 per month, but profit wise, that would be almost $2,000 a month profit on a product that you don't even have to touch. So basically what you would do is that you would come into Printify, integrate Printify with your Etsy account, and you would begin designing this product. In terms of this personalization request, the listing lays out exactly what they can do. So this is for home. So basically it's giving you the options of the font that you can use, if you want a backdrop color, right? If you want it just to look like this, right? So essentially you're choosing the color and you're choosing the font, and you are supplying the text. Now, once you submit it here, once the order is confirmed, they're going to go ahead and send you back a proof. So there is quite a little bit of back and forth probably to get this right with the customer. But if you're making $100 per sale, that's definitely worth, the 30 minutes or whatever you're going to spend on per order. So that's $100 profit every 30 minutes of probably what it's going to take to get the personalization request. Now, if we come into the editing, you would basically upload that file of their personalization request, choose the color that they selected, and then you would go ahead and get it shipped to your customer. The next Printify product opportunity that I really like in the home decor space is these garden flags. So I also additionally purchased an example of one of these just to actually check the quality to see if the quality meets expectations. So you can see here, this is sitting in 6 carts, right? There's other ones here that have a bestseller badge. This one alone, it looks like it's done. It's only 4 months old, already doing $2,000 a month. This is also obviously a holiday specific one, but you could do this with personalized pets for every single holiday. So after Christmas, you could do Easter, Valentine's Day, right? With personalized pet touch. I really, really like this. So the flag that I purchased, as you can see in this video, was a large size. They have all the different holidays here, which is a really cool value proposition of this listing, and the number of pets. So it looks like this one you don't get to actually select the size. This is about a 12 by 17 garden flag. The one that you are seeing here that I actually purchased is also from Printify, but it is the largest size that they have, the 24 by 32. And you could see a close up here of the quality. It actually printed very, very beautifully and definitely worth the price. So with Printify Premium, this is the largest one is $14, and then I paid $16 for shipping. So my all-in costs are about $20. And you can see in this listing, they're starting at $31. And if you add more pets, so say you wanted to match what you see in the photo, which is normally what people are going to do, the price is $34. So $34 plus they are giving free shipping. So the profit on something like this, if we run the math, right? So if our sale price is $34.20, my shipping price is free. If we were trying to match this listing, the shipping cost, I spent $6. And then the cost of goods, let's just make it a little worse at $15. That means that the profit per unit is about $10 per order. So the profit is slightly less than the other one, but there's a lot of ways that you could upsell this item, right? You could upsell this by doing more pets, right? This one doesn't have a size option. I probably wouldn't do the theme like this. So when someone clicks on a listing, they usually want what they see in that listing. So I would actually make these different listings. So I would have a size option and a number of pets instead of doing a theme option, right? Because normally if people are clicking on the listing, they want what they see in the picture. So most people are going to buy this and do 2 pets because that's what they see in the image. So, and then I would create, 10 listings for all the different holidays because again, this is actually probably hurting this listing. And as we saw here, the only size, they only do a 12 by 17, and we can do actually a larger size at 24 by 32. So we could actually do a price justification to sell this at even a higher price point. But even still, even if say, we try to be in line with this price, even though we have different sizing options that they don't have, that's still about a 30% margin, which is really, really good. But after you did the sizing option, you would probably be shooting for about 45% profit margin, which is way, way higher than mugs and shirts. So as you can see, this is the one that I ordered. I got it dirty. I dropped it in the mud, but it printed perfectly. This is the largest size that they had. And this is also, this is an example of one for a personalized for a business, which I would say that is also another whole listing category that you could go into. But I would start with proven concepts like this, proven concepts like this, because there's infinite listings that you can make in this realm. And this one, as you can see, has 20 cards and it's a proven revenue to do really, really well. So the next opportunity that I liked that I actually bought a sample of is a heavy duty floor mat from Printify. So you can see the sample that I ordered here. This was the 24 by 36, and it's a personalized floor mat for businesses or for the home. You could do examples of this for the home, and the quality actually came back really good. You can see it here in Printify. It has 9.5 stars, and it comes white, and then you add the color and the design as you begin to design it here, where the listings that are actually working really well are personalized. So you're going to want to make sure that you offer this personalization request and all of the different size options here. Also, a lot of wear and tear on floor mats. So if you actually nail this, you could set yourself up to have really good repeat buyers or repeat business clients for your store. You can additionally see how the quality came out. I did some close-up shots. As you can see, I did step on it. So it was a little bit dirty. So here's just a little bit of a close-up shot so you can see the actual quality in detail of what it looks like.